Well, as many as 50 food and beverage business owners and managers checked in with Yellowstone County Public Health Officer John Felton this afternoon. That call hosted by the Billings Chamber of Commerce, and the big topic: how long will the countywide closure remain in effect? Q2's Jay Cohn was able to listen in and joins us now from his home office. Jay.
A very interesting and frank discussion with John Felton today as we learn more about this COVID-19 virus and our local response to it. Felton stressed that deciding to close down all the bars, restaurants, and casinos in Yellowstone County was among the toughest decisions he's ever made in decades in the field of public health. First, regarding how long the closure will last, this was the big question. Well, some of those on the call today worried that the closure would be lifted too soon. Right now, it's in effect through April 10th. The owner of the pub station said he's in the business of people gathering, and he's concerned if it gets lifted too soon that we'll be right back to square one. The owner of the Montana Club said he was frustrated over the fact that each city and county seem to be implementing their own closure orders, different time frames. Felton said he understood the frustration, but said public health officers like himself represent just one county. There was also concern about the spacing involved with social distancing, the capacity size. Owners were wondering, would their capacity size be impacted down the road, perhaps permanently? Felton said, well, at least for the time being, when the pandemic starts to get over and we get back to some form of normalcy, social distancing is still going to have to be the norm. So he felt capacity size for the time being would be condensed. Felton said, one bit of good news along the question of cleaning, that many of the common wipes and sprays work well against COVID-19. In fact, he says one of the most effective is the old bleach solution that perhaps the grandma passed down over the years. He said that's one of the best things. Also, Felton said once the casinos are allowed to reopen, there's going to be a spacing issue and perhaps a new protocol for cleaning the machines, maybe once after each customer per machine. And of course, the machines will have to be spaced out further, which means fewer machines per casino. I guess it's all part of this brave new world that we're all living in. So for now, that's it here from the home office. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks so much, Jay. Now, the Chamber invited local media and businesses to take part in today's call.